Hey everyone, welcome back to Rafi Gadget Review. I hope you all are doing great. Today's video is going to be a bit different because the device we're checking out is not your typical everyday smartphone. This is something built for extreme conditions, tough environments, and users who need reliability over everything else. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Oukitel WP61 Ultra. Now, starting off with a quick unboxing experience. Inside the box, you get the Oukitel WP61 Ultra itself, a charging adapter, a USB cable, and some basic documentations. It's a simple and straightforward package. Nothing fancy, but everything you need to get started right away. Now, the moment you take the phone in your hand, the first thing you will notice is how solid and heavy duty it feels. This is clearly not designed to be slim or lightweight. The WP61 Ultra comes with a thick, rugged body, reinforced corners, and a strong outer shell that instantly gives you confidence. This phone is built to handle tough situations, whether it's water dust, mud, or accidental drops. The device is designed to survive environments where regular smartphones would struggle. If you work outdoors, travel a lot, or need a reliable backup device, this kind of durability can make a huge difference. Of course, because of this rugged design, the phone is a bit bulky, but that's completely accepted. This device focuses on strength and reliability rather than style, and it does that very well. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest highlights of this phone, the battery life. The Oukitel WP61 Ultra comes with a massive battery that is designed to last significantly longer than a standard smartphone. You can go through heavy usage, long work days, or even extended trips without constantly worrying about charging. For people who spend a lot of time outdoors or in remote areas, this is a major advantage. It gives you peace of mind knowing your phone won't die when you need it the most. In terms of performance, the WP61 Ultra delivers a stable and smooth experience for everyday use. With 5G connectivity, you get fast internet speeds along with reliable network performance. Apps open quickly, multitasking works well, and overall, the phone feels responsive. It's not designed for high-end gaming or heavy performance tasks, but for daily usage like calls, messaging, navigation, and work-related apps, it performs quite well. Now, let's move on to one of the most exciting features of this phone, the camera system. The WP61 Ultra comes with advanced night vision capability, which allows you to capture images even in complete darkness. This is extremely useful for outdoor environments, security situations, or emergency scenarios where visibility is limited. But what really makes this phone stand out is the thermal imaging feature. This is something you rarely see in smartphones. With thermal imaging, you can detect heat differences and identify temperature changes in your surroundings. This can be incredibly useful for professionals, whether it's checking electrical system, detecting overheating equipment, or performing safety inspections. It turns the phone into a powerful tool rather than just a regular smartphone. For standard photography, the camera performs decently in good lighting conditions. You can capture clear and usable photos for everyday use or social media. But the main focus here is functionality rather than premium photography performance. The display is large and practical, making it easy to use in different environments. Brightness is good enough for outdoor visibility, and overall, it is designed to be functional rather than flashy. You also get some extra features that add real value to the overall experience. There are a customizable button for quick access, a powerful flashlight, and several useful tools that can actually help in real-life situations. These features may seem small, but they make a big difference when you're using the phone in tough conditions. So, who is this phone really for? If you're someone who prefers slim, stylish smartphones, then this might not be the right choice for you. But if you need a device that is durable, reliable, long-lasting, and packed with practical features, then the Oukitel WP61 Ultra is definitely worth considering. Overall, this is not just a smartphone, it's a rugged tool designed for people who need performance and durability in challenging environments. So that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Rafi Gadget Review. And I will see you in the next one. Until then, stay safe, stay techy.